and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is based on sensory bins that you can make for your children at home. So the first sensory bin I made is I add bin full of rice and disappeared all the letters in between, and he had to find all the letters, not alphabetically, but whatever letter he finds he had to place them on the paper that he sees in front of him. The next sensory bin, as you can see, is based on water. What are sensory bins? Sensory bin is a typically a plastic tub or a large container of some sort filled with materials and objects carefully selected to simulate the senses. A sensory bin can be filled with a large variety of different materials such as shredded paper or water or beads or sand and so much more. In this sensory bin, I filled the bin with water and a few rubber bands, and I gave him a baking stick so that they can fish out the rubber bands from the bin. These types of toys and pencil grip activities help develop a habit of holding a pencil without actually holding it. So smaller activities and basic activities, you can start these kind of activities from ages 10 to 11 months, so that a child can have a stability of holding a pencil. So in this sensory bin, I added a bin full of water and added food color and mixed it with a spoon, and he was placing all the animals, and I made sure this sensory bin that we were making that my children can actually see what they're doing. They didn't understand until they saw the bin the next day. We froze it in a freezer, and as you can see, they're extremely excited what they did in this bin. So I gave them a brush and make sure that, as it was ice, so I kept it in front of the sun, and they had to brush it off. So brushing the ice off was making it more softer. And as you know that sensory bins, you have to feel what you're doing, and they could actually feel slowly and gradually that the animals are trapped inside and they had to take it out. So they were extremely excited what they were doing. They had to free all the animals from the ice. They thoroughly enjoyed the sensory bin as they made this bin by themselves. So make sure you let them explore on their own. So in this last sensory bin, I added few bottle cups and I gave them few popsicle sticks so they can help take out the bottle caps from it. And as you can see, that these smaller activities can help them hold a pencil without not even holding a pencil. So do such small activities with them so it can be easier for you to teach them how to write in the future. So as always, if you like my content and my videos, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.